One of the most common reasons people give for infidelity is this. I was bored in my relationship. Life had become too dull. There was nothing new anymore. But is that really the whole story? Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the topic of marital boredom and why some people look outside their relationships for excitement. But before we point fingers, let's ask an important question. How much responsibility do we take for keeping our relationship alive? Think about this. Who is responsible for keeping the spark in a relationship alive? Is it just your partner, or do you play a role too? Stick around for the answer. If you've ever felt disconnected or unexcited in your marriage, remember, you have a role to play in making it better. Relationships don't stay exciting on their own. They need effort from both partners. Instead of waiting for change, be the change. Ask yourself, are you bringing warmth and energy into your relationship? Are you making an effort to create beautiful moments together? If life has become routine, break that routine. Plan something new. Surprise your partner. Give attention to your own personal growth. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that once they're married, their entire identity should revolve around work, household responsibilities, and obligations. But when you ignore your own happiness and growth, you wake up one day feeling empty, wondering where the passion went. Instead of focusing on what your partner isn't doing, ask yourself, what can I do to bring back that spark? When both partners take responsibility for keeping their relationship alive, boredom has no space to grow. The energy and excitement you might seek elsewhere? Try bringing it into your own marriage first. So, who is responsible for keeping the spark alive? The answer is both of you. But it starts with you taking the first step. If you found this perspective helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on relationships and personal growth.